Good morning, family. We're in Watts, California again. Yeah, look how they built up. Look how they build up the Watts area. As you can see the projects back here. And see the new housing. There go building 51 right there. We built up a lot of stuff over here, man. I remember when that wasn't even built. That building right there. And now those buildings gonna look just like the buildings over there. Family, is it gentrification? What's the deal? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen to our people? Who are they gonna move in here? I'm gonna ask this brother, man, see if he have anything to say. Excuse me. How you doing, brother? Good morning. Hey, well, are these gonna they gonna knock those down over there?
Yeah, all them motherfuckers on that side and that side.
Man, you kidding?
Yeah.
Where they gonna put the people?
They're here.
Oh, so the same people. Okay, they ain't gonna try that.
If they've been paying their rent and all that shit on time,
Yeah.
they can stay.
That's
Low
what's
income.
up.
It's still low income.
Okay, that's what's up. As long as they don't remove them, that's cold, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool, brother. Thank you. I got a little channel, so I'm trying to tell them.
Yeah.
All right, man. Yeah, so.
Accept the application too.
Huh?
Accept the application to move in here too.
No, I'm good.
I'm just saying, you know anybody.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
You know what?
With Section 8, everybody.
Yeah, I do know somebody. Okay.
Yeah.
Man, good looking,
They're
man.
nice, man. They're nice.
They look
nice.
like it.
They're gonna have right.
Are they built right though?
Yeah.
What?
So they throw it out right like this first.
I'm looking at it, but I don't see how they do the inside, the guts. The frame is cool. Yeah.
Oh, inside is bust.
What?
They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms.
Man, you kidding?
Yeah, look. They gonna have their own little balconies. You know what I'm saying? They balcony and shit.
That's good for the kids.
They own wash and dry, all that shit in there.
Man, that's what's up.
Yeah.
That's good, man. I hope so, man. And this area has been kind of cool. I grew up here in the, in the 80s, man. And then in the 90s, I remember I used to get my bud. You know what I'm saying?
I've been over
on
here.
Grape Street.
Yeah, I've been over here for 50-something years.
What? Okay.
Yeah, I used to stay on this side over here. Came from Louisiana, straight on that side over there. 99.
What part of Louisiana? My people's from Louisiana.
Shreveport.
My family from DeRidder.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, DeRidder and Baton Rouge.
Baton Rouge, yeah.
We know about Shreveport, though. We know about Shreveport, man. It's all good, man. We just, migrated out here. I was born out here and raised out here, migrated, but man.
Yeah, this motherfucker will be nice, man.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
They've been moving along good, too. They got doing all that.
Yeah, until that rain held us up.
Held it up for a minute.
My pockets was hurting.
Yeah.
Hurting.
I know you're glad of that, huh?
Hell yeah, but I'm glad the city of Watts is getting something, They deserve, the people deserve it.
Yeah, they're going to see how these turn out first.
Okay.
And then they're going to start working on the other projects.
What's the other projects like over there?
The Nickerson Garden.
Nickerson.
And the Pier Court, like that.
Okay. All right, that's what's up. What's your name? Ricky, I'm Julian, man.
Julian.
Yeah, I'm from Long Beach and Carson.
Oh, okay.
But I had a cousin in Compton, and I had some friends that live
out there Long Beach, they strict as a motherfucker. So you can't play your music loud and shit out there.
Well, I heard that. I haven't been in Long Beach in a long time. Most of my life, 10 years of my life was in Carson. All right, nice meeting you, brother. All right, gotta get up. Yeah. So That's the story. That's the scenario, man. You talk to some people and they let you know. And they let you know. So as you hear it, the gentrification is going to be the people are going to be staying that are paying their rent. The ones who haven't, who was late on their rent, they're going to get kicked out. And most of them shouldn't get kicked out, I wouldn't think, because, it's Section 8. Hold on, family. Got a reverse right here.
Where you going, Adam? Is that job?
So, yeah. I will. All right, family, I'm gonna see. Hey, brother, what's up, man? How you doing? Nice to see you, brother. Hey, huh? Yeah. What they want at a 5? You're like, man, whatever, man. I got it at a 5.5. That's what. It's like whatever, huh?
It'll be all right, man. Don't put no more water in it.
Hey, man, I love cats like you attitudes. Like,
whatever, man. They don't care.
Usually on the AB 219s, I usually be kind of careful. I thought they cared.
Well,
How you doing? Nice to see you again. All right. Yeah, I got a channel, so
you got what?
YouTube channel. So I be telling people what's going on in LA.
Oh, yeah? What's
What we
going on in
building
LA?
on, huh?
What's going on? What we building in LA?
Yeah. Some people are interested in that.
Oh, you got a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
All
So,
right, I saw you giving
sometime when we have time, whenever we have time, I get out and let people know about LA or how I feel about stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't have a lot of followers, but it's building.
All right, what's it under?
Huh?
What's it under?
It's under Office on Sunset.
Office on Sunset?
Yeah.
Check it out.
Yeah, you never know. All right, family. Like and subscribe to Office on Sunset.